Hi guys, good morning. How are you? I hope you guys are all doing well. Guys, today I'm just trying to do a new decoration for my racetrack. See if you guys like it. Since I just make it kind of more like a secret racetrack and make more like make more really a beautiful track. So I'm just gonna show you guys all my new decoration for my racetrack. See if you guys like it. If you guys like it, please make a comments on our YouTube channel, so I can know if you guys whether you guys really like our new decoration. Well, actually, if you guys like it, I can put it as a permanent decoration. So I just thought, just gonna put some of my new drama that I already posted in a new video, in my previous video. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I make a new decoration for my secret racetrack. So if you guys really feel really interested, and please make a comment on my YouTube channel. So if you guys, if any of you guys haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Please make sure to subscribe our channel for more great racing show, and give some thumbs up. So basically today I'm just gonna show you guys from the top to bottom for my new decoration. So I'm just gonna try to make more dioramas and more miniatures that are really homemade by myself. So I'm just gonna show you guys now. Okay. See if you guys really actually like it, because this are the thread that I actually made it by myself. I built it everything by myself and I designed it by myself. So maybe you guys, some of you guys already seen it before on my video race, but now I'm gonna show you guys a new closer look. See how I actually built it my racetrack. And since today I make a new design for diorama. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. See my new decoration for my new secret racetrack. Show you guys actually how I actually build it for my racetrack. Hopefully you guys really like it. Because I'm thinking to just to put all my this new diorama on my racetrack. decoration for my racetrack to make more nicer. So hopefully I can make it permanent, since those diorama is my children's choice, and I made it for them. So since they really like, they need make a new choice, just build like a Legos for them. So hopefully I can put this one as a really permanent. So let's see guys how actually I designed for my website. So we go closer look. Out of the track, so I'll just put it as a new using a cartoon to attach it, to make it like a wall. So and also this is a new this is my new design. I just make it like more like a garden, more like people watching race from the top of the mountain, watching from the garden. It's like standing up top of the mountain. So guys, that's about it. This all our new design secret racetrack, putting more dioramas and more toys and more miniatures. So hopefully you guys like it. Okay guys, I think that's about it. Just like it. If you guys like it, please make a comments on our channel. If you guys are new to our channel, if you guys are new viewer to our channel, please subscribe our channel, and it really means a lot to us because we are trying to reach 1K. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time in our next upcoming race event. It will be Olympic race 2021 Round 1 Group 9. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys like